gentlemen, thank you so much for being here. Sorry about the bit of a delay, but we're really happy to have you all here. Welcome to the first day of European Utility Week 2013. We're very excited to have you all here around the beautiful Siemens Smart Grid booth. We are delighted to be a part of the industry's largest European event, and also very proud to be here to make a very special announcement with you today. First, let me do a bit of an introduction. Here is our CEO of the Siemens Smart Grid division, Dr. Jan Morosik, and Accenture's Matthias Alonso, the Global Managing Director for Utilities, to tell you more. So Jan, let's start first with your presentation from this morning.
All right. Good afternoon. I think I can say that now. A couple of minutes ago during my presentation, I shared with you how we see utilities reinventing the backbone for Europe's future growth. It's a very exciting proposition that you have here at hand, and it's a very exciting topic. But it's a challenge as well, I think, for all parties involved, not only for the suppliers, but even more for the utilities who are our customers, as well as for the end customers, the consumers. We know how essential it is to break through the challenges associated with achieving greater reliability in the grid, as well as integrating distributed sources of generation while keeping at the same time the prices at an affordable level. And all of this while managing increasing pressure to reduce costs, operations, maintenance, and capital expenditure.
So in light of all of those challenges, Matthias, is there a silver bullet to meet these?
Yes. I think in order to meet the challenges Jan is commenting, it's very important to have an enterprise view of the system of data. And all of you know that utilities will have to leverage huge amounts of data coming from smart meters and the sensors in the grid. And in order to realize the whole value of the smart grid, it's very important the integration of the IT solutions and operational technologies.
So, might as well get to it. Gentlemen, what are you here to announce today?
Yeah, that's the $1 million question. So Siemens and Accenture have entered into an agreement to form a new joint venture called Omnetric Group. We perceived, as was just said, a gap in the market for IT-OT integration. We have the products on the Siemens side. The expertise as far as IT integration is concerned is on the Accenture side, and I think these two halves of a sphere actually work together and fit together extremely well. Omnetric Group will deliver end-to-end smart grid solutions and services addressing convergence of OT and IT, and will combine the strengths of Siemens and Accenture into agile and innovative company. We'll initially focus with our business on Western Europe and North America, but will, as time goes by, and we develop, focus on parts of Asia, Australia, and South America as well. It is anticipated that Michael van Weerseveld, who's actually here, and Martin Runge will join Omnetric as CEO and COO. Completion of the joint venture is still subject to approval of relevant antitrust authorities, and the joint venture, and this is always the disclaimer that we have to make during announcements, the joint venture will not be operational unless and until this point is reached that we have antitrust clearance, which is expected to be in Q1 2014. In the meantime, the parties will continue to operate separately, business as usual.
So now that we know what Omnetric Group is, Matthias, how will it help its customers?
I think this company will have unique position in the market to help utilities clients, our clients, to realize the benefits of IT-OT convergence. And this is very important to face the challenges that we're commenting today. And a critical step towards managing an increasingly complex and data utility-driven utility. So I would say that this new company will help our clients in many areas, deploying and integrating solutions for smart metering, data management, for energy efficiency, for optimizing operations on the grid, to integrate a more distributed generation like renewables, and also, why not, to help our clients in elaborating new business model, for example, based on virtual power plants. I would say that this is unique. Omnetric Group is combining the best of Siemens, the best of Accenture, is a product and solution from Siemens, capabilities of Accenture like management consulting, technology consulting, system integration, managed services, and of course, our solutions in IT, in OT, and a deep industry knowledge, energy industry knowledge.
So gentlemen, how do you see Siemens and Accenture coming together? Jan?
Yeah, in the Omnetric Group, Siemens both and Accenture intend to bring together the complementary products that we have in that field, services and skills from the parent companies. And it's at the end of the day the best of energy technology with the best of IT integration and managed service capabilities, as you already pointed out. Omnetrics will benefit from the parents, and this is quite important because we'll leverage the global footprint and the track records of both Siemens and Accenture. And we are both global players and true global players which Omnetric can build upon and leverage. And it will help mitigate risk by excellent implementation and integration of software and solutions. It will mitigate risk for our customers by using this approach.
Okay. Yes, I would say that this new company will be a strong and agile company that can meet the needs of a fast-changing market. We have an industry in transformation with a lot of challenges ahead, as we know quite well. And we can see some example that the rise of distributed generation is putting pressure on prices, but also putting pressures on grid stability, requiring huge investments. Another example in North America is our clients, the utilities, are facing important challenge to replace an aging infrastructure with huge investments ahead. And we could see also questions of reliability of the grids that we could observe recently because the natural disasters. As a partners of the energy industry, our focus is on bringing innovative solutions to utilities to help address current and future challenges in the smart grids field.
Fantastic. Well, thank you, Matthias. Thank you, Jan. And thank you all for being here today. We appreciate you spending some time with us during a busy week and enjoy the rest of European Utility Week. Thank you.
Thank you very much.